Hundreds of thousands of Rohingya have fled for safety to Bangladesh since late August 2017. They are tired, hungry, and thirsty. They have lost all their possessions, and some have lost their loved ones. Children have been robbed of a childhood, and these people are in desperate need of immediate aid and support. Al Khair Foundation urges you to generously support the long-suffering Rohingya in their right to life. They have witnessed much tragedy over the decades. However, we can ignite hope for the future. £50 will provide food sustenance as a food pack for a family. £100 provides cooked meals for 100 people. £30 delivers clean drinking water. £250 provides a tube well which will serve thousands of Rohingya. £25 delivers much-needed hygiene kits. £100 ensures medical support for the most vulnerable. £100 also provides a weather-resistant shelter tent. Save Rohingya lives now by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.